the day we said goodbye. The echoes of your laughter still cut me like a knife. Every note of silence plays a memory in my head. I reach across the pillow, but you're gone instead. And I can't stop the storm from breaking. Every drop's a truth I can't contain. I'm crying, crying under midnight rain, drowning in the ache, just whispering your name. The world keeps turning, but I can't move on. These tears are the lyrics of a love that's gone. The candles burning slow, the shadows start to fall. I stare into the distance, still waiting for your call. They say that time will heal, but time just twists the blade. Every second without you is a price I've paid. And I can't stop this heart from breaking. Every beat reminds me you're away. I'm crying, crying under midnight rain, drowning in the ache, just whispering your name. The world keeps turning, but I can't move on. These tears are the lyrics of a love that's gone. I see your face in the lightning flash, feel your touch in the thunder's crash. But when the storm fades, it's only me, lost in the dark of what used to be. And maybe one day I'll see the light, but tonight, tonight I'll fight through rivers of sorrow, through oceans of pain, still searching for you in the midnight rain. I'm crying, crying under midnight rain,